You keep saying that you're confused about where to start. But the truth is, you're not confused. You are overwhelmed. And that's because no one ever taught you how to turn your skills into money. And you know that confusion that you feel? It's not from a lack of intelligence, it's from a lack of clarity. When you're not clear about a step to take, guess what? Confusion follows. And you're not alone because many working professionals, including myself, have felt this way. We feel so overwhelmed and confused, and it's not necessarily because we don't have the right skill sets. Because when we look at our lives in the corporate world, we are doing great work. We sit in meetings all day, we make decisions, we assist our teams, and we're making huge progress. But when it comes to the minutes when we sit down and think about how to, monetize our skill set or how to make money for ourselves, all of a sudden, that overwhelm comes our way and we suddenly start feeling confused and we don't know what step to take. And if we're not careful, we get crippled by that emotion and we just stay back doing the same thing that we've always done at the workplace. But all of that is going to change with this video because after today's video, you're going to get the clarity that you need to move forward. For years, I stayed in a state of confusion where I kept wondering what skill set I was going to monetize. And one of the problems that I faced was the fact that I had too many skill sets at my beck and call. And so I didn't know which one people were going to pay for. And so I went through this constant confusion and overwhelm. And it was until I figured out that I just needed to pick one skill and at least just start with it. Nothing is going to change. And that's one thing I want you to realize today. You just need to start with one, right? Now, it's important for us to do our research. We have to know, what is the market saying about this skill set? By the end of the day, I've noticed that even though you may have different skill set, sometimes the easier skill set, in fact, not sometimes, I take that back, most of the time, and almost 100% of the time, the easiest skill set for you to start is actually the right skill set for you to monetize. And because I've been through this phase, quite often, I've come to realize it that, one of the skill sets that still brings me the most money today, even though I have multiple businesses, are the skills that feel super easy to me. And that's coaching, mentorship, teaching. I have other businesses that are product-based, service-based, and sometimes I wish I could just consolidate all of my business together. But like they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. But in reality, it is whenever I am speaking, coaching, mentoring, and that's that one skill that feels super easy to me. That is that skill set that makes me the most money because I'm able to make so much impact to my clients, to my students, and I'm able to get paid based on the impact that I'm making to them. So one of the things that I want you to think through as you watch today's video is for you to realize that it's okay for you to feel confused. It's okay for you to feel overwhelmed. And it's not as a result of the fact that you don't have the right skill set, or it's not as a result of the fact that you're not intelligent. It is because you have too many skills. And so one of the things that you need to do to move you from that state of confusion is for you to pick one skill set so that you can gain clarity on that one skill set. One thing I've also come to realize is the fact that clarity comes from elimination. When you have too many things thrown at you, you don't know which one to pick. And every day, each of those ideas will show their options. And if you're not careful, you're going to be following shadows, thinking you're making progress and you're not making any progress. So in order for you to gain clarity and get through that phase of confusion and overwhelm, you need to pick one skill set. And I want you to pick a skill that feels extremely easy to you. Now, I know it's going to sound weird or it's going to feel weird. Like, will people pay me for talking? That's how I used to sound and that's how I used to think. Will people pay me for advising them? Will people pay me for mentoring them and coaching them? But yes, people are paying for it because you're going to be making life easier for people. Now, think about it for a second. You're on my channel watching my video because there is some type of value that I'm giving to you. Even though you're not paying to watch this channel, there's still some type of value. That's why you're dedicating your time to watch this video. There's some type of information that you're going to get today that's going to move you closer to your dream. That's how it works. So that skill set that you have is going to move your clients closer to their dreams, closer to their goals. It's going to help them achieve their own goal and people will pay for it. I pay for people to clean my house. I pay for people to drive me. I pay for people to do my laundry sometimes. I pay for the most random things that sometimes you would wonder, do people really pay for this? But yes, people are paying for it because I am paying for it. Now, why do I pay for it? Because I need all of my time to stay focused on the things that matter to me. And many times there are people that don't even know how to achieve a thing. And so they need people who already know how to do that thing, help them achieve it. So I want you to see the value that you carry. The fact that you can do that thing so well is a reason why you need to think about monetizing it. Look at your work life, for example, right? You are employed for a reason. There's something that you can do in that workplace. That's why you're employed and they pay you for it. It's the same thing with your personal life. There is that one skill set that you do that you package into a resume that people are willing to pay you for. It's the same mindset. The only difference is that as employees, we have this, box like mindset where we just see ourselves as workers rather than see ourselves as inventors and creators. Now, for you to be an entrepreneur, for you to be, someone who is, building a side hustle, you need to start thinking a bit differently. And that requires you to think wider and out of your box. I want you to start seeing yourself as a creator, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as someone who is building and creating impact. Once you start to see yourself in that light, you begin to see the value in the things that you carry, and you find out that suddenly you have moved from that state of overwhelm, that state of confusion, into a state of clarity where things now make sense, and you now know exactly what you want to do and the steps required to make that a reality. So here is one thing I want you to do today. I want you to stop saying that you're confused or overwhelmed. I want you to say, I've never tried to monetize my skill set before, so I don't know how. And right now, I'm going to seek help, right? Because you're already doing so by watching this video, right? Now, the minute you start saying that to yourself, clarity begins to show its case. Now, the second thing I want you to do is this. I want you to pick out all the skills that you have, things that you find easy, things that you enjoy to do, things that you can actually do. I want you to make a list of all of those things and figure out the one that you like the most, and discard the rest. I don't care if you know how to do 1,001 things. I want you to pick just one thing, right? Before I monetize my interior design skill set, I monetize my agile skill set. And when I monetized agile, that was all I could think about. I knew that I had a thing for design, but at that phase, I didn't know how to bring that to life. So I just packed it somewhere and I focused on agile, and I monetized agile for the longest time until I wanted to do something different. That's how you make progress. That's how you move forward. And that's how I want you to move forward. Now, once you've determined, the skill set that you want to monetize, then I want to encourage you to sign up to my bootcamp called Clarity to Cash Bootcamp. This is a 7-day online bootcamp where every day you're going to learn the steps that will help you move your idea to reality. And even if you don't have your idea finalized, you can still join the program, because in that program, we're going to take a look at all of your skill sets. We're going to analyze all of that skill sets and determine the one that best suits you with your current lifestyle and the one that would make the most sense for you right now. So all you need is to have your skills, and we would help you turn that into cash. We'll create that program, that roadmap, and that strategy that you need to be able to launch that skill set into the world. And all of that will be done in 7 days, because speed is everything. We don't want to spend forever trying to figure out a skill set that we can figure out in a day. Right? And because I have done this 1,001 times, right? It's so easy for me to know exactly what we need to look out for. And so that's the help that I believe that you need. And that's that final thing that's going to move you from that state of confusion and that state of overwhelm into a state of clarity. I want you to start thinking bigger than life. Your dreams are valid. Don't stay stuck to that one paycheck. I get it that, having a 9-to-5 job is fantastic. I have had it for the longest time, and I know how amazing it is to earn over 6 figures and, just trying to walk away from that. So no, don't walk away from that. Keep your 9-to-5 job if you have one, but make sure that you're working and doing something about the skills that you also have, because those are multiple incomes that you can have. And if I've not lived this before, I probably would not also believe it. But having to have a job and have multiple income streams is an amazing feeling that I can't even express, because the confidence that you get from knowing that you can't be stranded. The confidence that you get from knowing that this job is not your all and all. Sometimes I see people that their job is their life and they don't even like that job, but it's their life and they bend backwards and over and do everything just because if they lose that job, life would break and things would just shatter. And it's such an unpleasant place to be. And my goal is to ensure that as many people as are willing can get up from that cycle of being stuck and being frustrated. And I hope that you will make that decision today to move your dream forward. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with friends. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. I remain Yinka Okunlade, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.